Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2017 model Ford Explorer Limited, 2.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 40k kilometers mileage, well-maintained, keyless entry, push-button start, dual auto climate control, touchscreen head unit, panoramic sunroof, power adjust seats, power fold third row seats, power tailgate, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,058,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 293,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Toyota Wigo G, 1-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 35k kilometers mileage, ending plate 7, first owner, well-maintained, power window, SRS airbags, fuel economy, alloy mags, rear spoiler, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 408,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 123,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2013 model Subaru Forester XV, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 79k kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, all-wheel drive, push start, panoramic sunroof, sports and X mode, plate ending 1, paddle shifter, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 538,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 175,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2017 model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 78k kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 7, roof rack backup camera, SRS airbag, 7-seater, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 828,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 189,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2016 model Subaru XV, top of the line. 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 72k kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintain, all-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, plate ending 8, backup camera, premium leather seats, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 120,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2018 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, top of the line. 4-wheel drive, 3.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 53k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, panoramic sunroof, power seats and tailgate, third row seats automatic fold, touchscreen head unit, dual climate control, reverse camera, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 978,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 265,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.